The 1 mile jog is a submaximal VO2 assessment. The equipment needed is a 400-meter track, proper running attire, a heart rate monitor, which is optional, pencil and paper, a stopwatch, and a scale. The 1 mile jog test is appropriate for 18 to 29-year-old men and women. Begin with a warm-up of 2 to 3 minutes of dynamic stretching. The jog 1 mile at a comfortable pace continuously without stopping. It should be noted that this is a submaximal test and the mile should not be ran as quickly as possible. Men should take a minimum of 8 minutes. Women should take a minimum of 9 minutes. Heart rate should be taken at the end and should not exceed 180 beats per minute. To do so, display the carotid artery or radial artery and count the number of beats in 15 seconds, then multiply by 4 and use this value for your calculations. The dynamic stretches performed were butt kicks, high knees, and lunges. To begin the test, I would jog for 1 mile. After completion, note the time taken and immediately take heart rate by palpitating the radial artery and counting the number of beats in a 15-second, then multiply by 4. The jogging test formula for VO2 max is shown below. An example of many time and results will be provided below. The Rockport walking test is appropriate for 20 to 69 years old men and women, as well as older and or sedentary populations. Begin with a warm-up of 5 to 10 minutes made of dynamic stretching. Walk 1 mile as quickly as possible without running and then take post-exercise heart rate. To begin, I will walk 1 mile as fast as possible without stopping. After completion, note the time taken and immediately take heart rate by palpitating the radial artery and counting the numbers of beats in a 15 seconds, then multiply by 4. After each assessment, perform static stretches such as toe touches, arm circles, amongst others. The Rockport walking formula for VO2 max is provided below. An example of my time and results will be provided as well.